Welcome back users. So in today's video we will do a detailed review of Fedora Design Suite version 35. Okay, so we have booted into the Fedora Designer Suite 35. This is the welcome screen. In fact, it is not a welcome screen. It is a setup screen. It will do the user setup. So if you remember during the installation, we did not set up the user. That was the only thing remaining. So it will do the user setup after the first boot, that is now. So let us start the setup. Okay, along with the user setup we will have location services which can toggle on off, automatic problem reporting, that is the ABRT, that also we can toggle on or off. Next, if you want to enable the third party repositories, so better we do it, because that will enable the flatpak repositories, the COPR, that is the Fedora Git like repository, having a lot of software from the individual contributors, developers. So that we click it on, then we go to next. Account and the next cloud account. After this setup, initial setup is finished, if you go in the online accounts, you can probably configure more online accounts. Right now only three options are there, so we will skip it right now because this is just a review. But in the real world, you can always prefer to log in to the online accounts right here. So now we will configure the user, so we have to set up the user. I have done. You can also set up the enterprise login from this screen. It is given, the option is given at the bottom here. Click next. We give a easy password. Click next. So all is done. We can start using Fedora Linux Designer Suite version 35. Now Fedora Designer Suite is based on GNOME, like its contemporaries Ubuntu, which is now based on KDE desktop. It was earlier XFCE. Then we have got AB Linux, which is still based on XFCE and this OpenBox. So there is a tour is there. Let us take the tour. So this is GNOME 43, the latest shiny new GNOME desktop. So we start. So use the super key, that is the Windows or the Mac key, to open Windows and apps. So next, just type to search. So we can type, start typing, and immediately the search window will open up. Keep on the top with workspaces. You can organize the different windows in the workspaces view. Say for the office, you can have one workspace for your music, background music. You might be running some music player. You can keep the music player in one of the workspace. So you have got multiple workspace, and you can you can say have a groups of windows running similar software. Now the gesture support is also added, up down using three vertical swipes for the overview, left right for the changing the workspaces. That's it. Have a nice day. Okay. So now the bottom dock will come up. So this is the date, time, calendar and notification area. This is the activities. Yes, so the dock is there at the bottom. Let us check out the softwares. Okay. So we have got contacts, weather, clock, maps, books is there. That is the book reader or eVice. I think it is eVice only. Let us check it out. Then there is videos, calculator, text editor, genome scanner, document scanner, settings, genome settings, system monitor, Audacity, terminal. These are the typical genome utilities. Then there is Blender. Okay. Now let us check what. Okay, it is okay. This app is books collection. You can read your PDF book collection using the books application of Gnome. Okay, we close this down. We go back to applications. So Blender, then we got color, help, color picker, dark table is there, and cheese, that is the selfie app is there. Okay. So this is the design shoot info. This is the design team info. Okay, let us check out the design teams. And click on design shoot and design team info, both the infos. It should come up. Meanwhile, we go and check. So this is the diagram editor. So if you want to draw any flowchart diagram, so you can use this app. Entangle. Okay, this is the font forge. So you can design your fonts here using the font forge. Okay. So this is the panorama creator. So if you got a bunch of photographs and you want to design a panorama out of the photographs, you use this again panorama creator. And this is again calibrate lens. So this can be used to calibrate the lens. Let's check out. So I don't know why this is opened up. Maybe this design team info has links, web links. Okay, let us see what happens. Meanwhile, we go ahead. So Huggin batch processor. Let us check it out. Okay, yes, my guess was right. So clicking on the designer suite info and designer team info, it will open up the wiki page and show now dark table is virtual table to edit your enhance and edit your photographs. So if you take some photographs in the raw mode, you can edit them, enhance the photos. That is the post processing of the photographs using the dark table. Inkscape is there. Krita is there for the people interested in drawing and sketching. So the basic office utilities like calculator, impress and writer is there. The whole office suite is not there, but you can always install. So let us check out here the design. So the web page giving information about the designer suite has opened up. So you can always consult this page. It is very informative. It gives the application infos and app package infos also. So it also shows the previous links of the previous Fedora Design Suite software. So Fedora Design Suite has been maintained from Fedora 13 version to the present Fedora 35. So there is a support of the Fedora team for the designer suite. So if any uh, creator wants to use this, he is assured that he will get the support years for years together, and he will not be left in dark. Okay, okay. This is the batch processing. Let me check. Okay, I have not used this, so what exactly it does, I don't know because I have not used. Better be frank than tell lies. Okay. So Pitvi is the non-linear video editor. So you can edit your video files here. So there is a list of designer tutorials. Let us click on that. So it opens up the Fedora wiki link. So it is a list of tutorials. So for Inkscape, there is link to the what we say Inkscape community on DeviantArt, then Scribus. So all the software that are part of the Fedora Design Suite, their links are there. So so new users can check out the links. So how to do video editing with Blender. So quick start manual for Pitvi. So everything is there. So for printing the CMYK usage is there. So like this, everything is given. You must go through it and become a pro creative person. Okay, the PDF arranger is there. Okay, we are now let us click on this. What happens? Let's see. Meanwhile, we can go back and check out the Fedora designer team. Okay, so the Fedora release wallpapers are there. It is just a link to the Fedora design team. So it gives the about information about the Fedora design team, the portfolio, the previous works done by the Fedora design team. Everything is given. Now we go back. What is timer? Let us check it out. I think it looks like a timer. So you can time. So you can maintain a watch on your work time. So it will show you how much work you are done. So if you have been sitting say for hours together, then you need a break. So that will show up in this timer. Now let us go back. Okay. So this is the journal X journal plus plus Z art is there. So let us check out the sign fix studio. What is it is? Let us check it out. Let us check. Okay. Okay, so this Scientific Studio is nothing but studio to design, abstract, and whatever you want to design with a paintbrush, you can do it here. Scribus is there. So this is for the writing people who are content editors, content creators, who write blogs. So Scribus is good for them. What is ZArt? Let us check it out. Okay, so I'm also lost. What is it? I will have to use this once. Okay, ZArt is a GUI powered by Gmic for the most real-time effects. Okay, so you can add real-time effects to your webcam stream. So if you are a video blogger and you want to have some real-time effects to your video stream, you can use ZArt. So this is very cool application. You must try if you are a video blogger. So I will close this down. Okay. Now SoundForge. Let us open SoundForge. Okay. So this. So it is a collection of fonts, different fonts. And all those are open source fonts. Please remember this. It is all open fonts. So fonts designed as an open source. You can use them. Install them in your system. So now, okay, Qt is there. Let us open Entangle. Okay. So Entangle is some video editing app, looks like, and also you can attach cameras to it. Let us check. Let us open the manual. Entangle is an application that lets you remotely control digital camera. It allows you to perform tethered capture where the shutter is remotely triggered from computer. Images that are captured whether by a remote trigger or physically pressing the shutter button will be downloaded for local storage. Okay, so you can place your camera remotely. It will be connected with your laptop using the Entangle, and you can remotely take photographs using this Entangle camera app, and the photograph taken will be downloaded to your laptop. And also it supports live mode, so a continuous preview of the scene can be shown period to capturing. A wide range of camera configuration settings can be seen and altered. So this is great. You can add the digital cameras to your computer using a USB, and if they are compatible, then the camera will be connected to the Entangle app and you can take photographs. Entangle works with all digital SLR manufactured by Nikon and Canon. So already they have given the make where the Entangle app is compatible. And if users want to control their laptop camera that is installed on the top of the screen in most of the laptops, they can use the Cheese application. So this will not work with, I think, laptop camera properly. That's why they have given the comment at the bottom of the introduction. So okay, let us go back. So here everything is the main features have been explained, and the advanced features for controlling multiple camera. The plugin extensions are also given, link to plugin extensions. So do check out the manual before you try this app. It is very exciting app. So this is the Fedora Media Reader. As always, in all the Fedora softwares, Fedora Media Writer is there. So I think we have checked out everything. So we end our video here. Okay, let us check out the diagram. So yes, you can draw the diagrams using the symbols here. So you can have a nice professional looking flowcharts and diagrams using this app. And of course there will be manual here. Yes, help is there, so manual will be there. You can check out the manual how to use the app. This is also exciting good app. So to conclude, Fedora Designer Suite is a well-rounded package of softwares. It will be helpful to all kinds of creative people, from writers to photographers, then people doing sketches, digital art. It is good for the cinematographers and the video bloggers also. So we stop our video here. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to our channel. Do regularly watch our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell button so you will not miss any of the new videos on the channel, and comment on our videos. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.